This is the final foundational video before we discuss the I Do philosophy elements. Stay with me as we discuss what the I Do philosophy is and is not to help you date, marry, and divorce wisely. This is section 2, video 1 of 9, what it is, what it is not. Greetings, daters of all ages. I'm John F. Whitney, author of the book I Do, If It's Equitable, a philosophy for dating and marriage to avoid the potential horrors of divorce. I will be your host and your guide as we discuss the I Do philosophy. And away we go. A free copy of the book I Do If It's Equitable to the first person who, in the comments below, can tell me where the expression "and away we go" came from. The strength of the I Do philosophy is that it demands the same from anyone you date or might consider marrying as it demands from you. Why was it designed that way? Because a stable, healthy, growing relationship is built upon a strong foundation. A strong foundation is only possible if the standards of conduct and guiding principles of the relationship are fair to each person and apply to each person. Therefore, be certain that the elements of the I Do philosophy become your mantra while dating and discussing marriage. Let those you date or discuss marriage with see these behaviors and beliefs that work in your life. Insist that they respect, accept, and adopt these beliefs as part of their life with you. If they do not or cannot, remove him or her from your life and search for someone who will respect, accept, and adopt these behaviors and beliefs. What it is. The I Do philosophy is designed to ensure equity between partners, which in turn should allow trust and respect to rule the relationship. The I Do philosophy is based upon honest and open communication between partners to protect and strengthen the relationship. The I Do philosophy is an approach to dating which should expose any ulterior motives for marriage. The I Do philosophy is a means by which both partners may have peace of mind regarding the material and financial gains they acquired before and during the relationship. Or put another way, what's mine is mine. What's yours is yours. What's ours will be equitably divided. The I Do philosophy is a set of guidelines and standards of conduct between partners established while they date and before they marry. The I Do philosophy is a means to accept the other as a partner in life to every definition of the statement. The I Do philosophy is designed to maximize protective motives, which both partners should offer to and expect from the other, by adopting an open and equitable approach to the process of dating and the expectations of marriage. The I Do philosophy is intended to eliminate the financial harm and retribution which one partner could cause the other through divorce, as the marriage profit is divided according to very specific rules. The I Do philosophy is designed to maximize goodwill between partners. The I Do philosophy is designed to give each life partner a true sense of calm, well-being, contentment, commitment, and security during their lives together. The I Do philosophy is an attempt to protect the partners from the horror and harm which the current divorce system breeds. For example, it should eliminate the emotional and financial devastation caused by greedy, uncaring attorneys who prey on separating and divorcing couples. The I Do philosophy is designed to protect the interests of any children by assuring that they first and foremost benefit from the efforts of each partner. Now that we have discussed what the I Do philosophy is, let's discuss what the I Do philosophy is not. The I Do philosophy is not a cold, emotionless, business-like approach to dating and marriage. Rather, it demands that each partner truly understand, respect, and trust the other. This leaves them free to focus on what the dating and marriage relationship is all about. Loving and enjoying each other without reservation, suspicion, or fear. Specifically, while dating, the I do philosophy allows each person to minimize any suspicions about the true feelings or ulterior motives of the other. It should defeat emotional liars who will say or do anything to be rescued from a self-made situation. It stops cold those who see marriage as nothing more than a short-term answer to a long-term financial gain. During marriage, it allows for an equitable resolution of the various and diverse issues regarding the business of marriage. If the marriage fails, it should disarm divorce lawyers in their seemingly endless court battles by rendering moot the greed, spite, deceit, or avarice which one person might be hiding or whose lawyer might try to awaken. And also, the I do philosophy is not an excuse to supersede or invalidate existing law, nor does it urge any partner to ignore their accepted religious laws. The I do philosophy is not an excuse to engage in illegal or immoral behavior. For example, one partner cannot have an affair because it was not discussed during dating. The I do philosophy is not a replacement for or prohibition of the advice or counsel which family, friends, social workers, healthcare professionals, and or clergy can offer. The I do philosophy is not able to ensure that a partner will honor it. Human nature might motivate a partner to reject the I do philosophy if they feel it is in their best interest to do so. Fine, let them move on. This concludes our discussion on what the I do philosophy is and is not. In our next video, we will discuss the we believe element of the I do philosophy. I hope you will join me. If you learned anything of value from this video, please consider hitting that like and share button. Also, please leave me a comment on any issue, problem, concern, or situation you might have that perhaps we can solve together. Finally, if you feel that I am worthy of your time and effort, might you consider subscribing? And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you know every time I upload a new installment of the I Do Philosophy. Until next time, date wisely, date safely, and remember, I do if it's equitable.